Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add or place your fill light under your wall cabinet. Okay, so now we need to position your camera. Okay, facing to this side. Okay, so go to the cloud library. Go to decoration. And under lighting, you will see you'll have this fill light. Click on fill light. Go to the second page. Scroll down a bit until you see this yellow light strip. Okay, so drag the yellow light strip under your wall cabinet. And you will notice when your yellow light strip is not sticking under your wall cabinet, it is because the default position for the fill light is need to be on the top surface. So that's why it's not sticking under your wall cabinet. But don't worry, okay, you drag your yellow light strip and you need to click on the space bar on your keyboard to make it stick to your wall cabinet. And here you can adjust the length, width and height. Under this info panel on your right side, you can adjust the length, width and height, or you can click on C. You can click C to your keyboard and you will notice you will have this cube here, and you can drag the cube to adjust the length, to adjust the width, or you can enter manually into this box. Okay. But if you want to have a fill light that you can adjust your lighting setting, the brightness, the color temperature, you need to adjust or you need to change to another model, which is this one. Okay, you try. Okay, click on spacebar. And when you click, you will notice you will scroll down a bit. You will have this light setting, which is you can adjust the color temperature and also the color. Okay, you can adjust using this color palette here, and you can also make it as high gloss visible. Okay, and you can also adjust the brightness percentage. This one you need to try and play around with the setting. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.